Good morning, everyone. I myself, Dharamveer Singh, welcomes you on the behalf of J. Somnath English Medium Primary School. Friends, today we are going to learn standard 5th English, a lesson that is lesson number 8, a little bully. Students, you all might be seeing a different, there are in the classroom, there are different students who are having a different kind of quality. There are some of the children who like to play a prank or tease some other children. So here in this lesson, it is a story about Hari, who is also a small boy Hari, who is also having a habit of teasing and pinching each and every children. So what all the thing has happened to him that we are going to learn in this lesson. So let's start chapter 8, the little bully. Once upon a time, not so very long ago, there was a small boy called Hari. So it is a story. The story starts about there was one small boy whose name was Hari. Although he wasn't very big, he was strong and he loved to tease all the boys and girls. So that boy, he was not so long. He was small boy only, but he was very strong, and he likes to tease all the boys and girls. To tease means to make fun. He all of the time he was happily liking to make fun of each boys and girl. Each boys and girl who went to school with him. So whenever he used to go to the classroom, he used to play a prank on all the boys and girl, and that he loved very much. What he loved to do most was to pinch. So his favorite thing that he liked to do was to pinch. Means in Hindi if we say that the chutli bharne ka. So he had a habit of pinching each and every boy and girl, and that is the thing that he liked the most. He couldn't make a big bruise appear. Bruise means we can say the word injury. So he used to pinch so hard that the other boys and girl would be having up the injury over there, and the injury would appear. To appear means to be seen. So when we are pinching anyone, you might be seeing there are some marks being made. So that marks can be easily visible. So that boy, the Hari, used to pinch each boy and girl. Another trick he played was pranking people with pin. So another trick was he used to make a use of the pin, and he used to poke it to the each boys and girl. That was the other thing that he liked very much. So you can guess how all the children hated him. So now he was having this bad quality. So we can easily come to know, even you also, if some boys are teasing you or playing a prank with you, you would not like to be friend with him. The same was with the Hari also. As he was pinching everyone, he was poking up the pin. He used to make a fun of each boys and girl. So all the boys and girls used to hate him. They tried pinching him back, but that was not good because he could always pinch harder. So as the Hari used to pinch his boys and girls, so in the return also the other boys also used to pinch him, but their pinching was not so harder as the Hari used to pinch each and every boys and girl. They didn't like telling their teacher because that was telling tales. So even the boys, even though they used to get some pain also, but they never complained the teacher because the Hari used to tell up the long tales. Tales means story to the teacher, and he would go away from the punishment. It so happened that the class went for a picnic to the seaside for a whole day. Now one day happened that the class went for a picnic on the seaside. The whole one day all the children were been going to the seashore and enjoying the picnic there. All the children were most excited. So all the children were very happy because they were going up for the whole day tour. On the day, the sun shone bright, and all the children were wild with excitement. So, as the sun was shining very brightly, and all the children were very happy, they were most excited. They crowded into the train and sat down. Crowded means together. Now they started to go in one of the in the train, and all the children, they were very happy. They all gathered and sat together. But nobody wanted to sit next to Hari because he always pinched. So as now any children didn't like to sit with Hari. He was sitting all alone because he was having one of the bad quality that he used to pinch each boys and girl, and that all the boys and girls hated very much. When they arrived at the seaside, out jumped all the children with a shout of joy. Now as they have reached the seaside, all the children came out of the of the train, and they jumped and shouted with the excitement. Down to the sands, they raised hands in hand. So they all were walking, having their hands, each other children's hand in the hand, but nobody liked to have a handshake with the Hari. But nobody took Hari's hand. Nobody went near him. Hari was angry. He went to the sandy corner near the rocky pool and sat down by himself. Now, Hari had no friend. All the children, they all were playing, but they did not like to include Hari in their game. So Hari was all alone and he was very angry. So he moved to the one of the side of the seashore and sat at the one of the pool. He took out his lunch and looked at it. Now there was no one to share the things with Hari. So Hari all alone, he opened his lunch box and looked in it at what his mother has prepared for him. It was a good lunch. There were 2 hard-boiled eggs, 6 jam sandwiches, 3 pieces of bread and butter, a ginger cake, and a bar of chocolate. So Hari was having a good lunch here. His mother has prepared a good lunch, and in the lunch there were the boiled eggs, the cake, then we can say the chocolates, sandwiches, and many more things. He would eat it all by himself, as there was no friend for Hari. So Hari decided to eat all the thing all alone. He wouldn't offer anything to anyone, and he was having one of the bad quality also, that he would never like to offer. To offer means to give his things to other. So here comes the end of the part 1. In the next video we will start part 2.